So hello everyone, welcome back to Jarvis the series part 5, and in this video I'm going to cover the temperature and time automation, and this is going to be super easy. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to Google, and in the Google you have to search as temperature in whichever city you are living in. So I'm currently living in Delhi, so I'm writing temperature in Delhi, and from this you have to just copy this thing and leave the rest of it as it is. Just from Q is equal to, you have to copy it and then go to the code and paste it right over here, and then write in the search bar. First of all, you have to mention in which city you are living, so you have to write suppose temperature in whatever city, and then you have to write a URL, and with a string you have to write the thing you have copied with equal to, and write the search, which will just have the name of the city that you are living. And then we have to import a module named as requests and beautiful soap. So I have imported it over here, requests, and from BS4 import beautiful soap. So you can download these both from the pip install request and pip install BS4 in the Windows terminal. And then I have scraped the data out of the Google of the temperature that we want, and then just given the Jarvis the temperature, and it will just speak it when we want. So that I have done with this temperature, and same thing if we want the weather, it will do the same thing. And then through the time, I want the time, then I have imported inbuilt module in Python, that is date time. So you can see over here, date time, import date time. You can just import it over here, and then string time with datetime.datetime.now, and I have want the date time in hours and minutes. No need to get in seconds. Hours and minutes is fine. So I have Jarvis will speak the time for me, and here the Jarvis will speak the weather for me. So let's run this and see if it's gonna work. Wake up, Jarvis.
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me, how can I help you?
What is the current temperature?
Current temperature in Delhi is 22 degrees Celsius.
And what is time? What is the time?
Sir, the time is 13:11.
13:11, it has got it right. You can see over here 13:11, and the temperature is also right. So that is for it, for the temperature and time weather. You just have to write the name of the city that you are living in, and then the URL, paste the URL as it is, and write the search bar in here. And the rest thing you can get in the source code in the description given below. And see you in the next part of the series. Till then, goodbye.